video. Today it's a little different. So what's going on today is, of course, you know, I don't really drive this truck unless I'm going to a show, but I decided I was gonna drive today. And the deal is, this truck is not for hauling, you know, and I don't really haul nothing in this truck. But I told her it ain't for hauling, and this is what I end up with. Nothing. And this does look like hauling to me. Now I might be wrong. Tell me if this ain't hauling. Now I'm not talking about towing with a trailer. I know that's not what this is, but this is equivalent. Now the base had to stop for the rest of the day. Look, I can't even see my amp in there. Look, look, all the basing is stopping. So I see, tell you what, y'all know what I'm talking about, man. Now I gotta find a way to get some groceries in here still. So I don't know how I'm gonna get the groceries in here, but this is what I end up with every time. Every time I say it ain't that, it just end up this. But anyway, man, y'all let me know down in the comments, do y'all still haul stuff in the vehicle? Because today, I guess I do haul stuff. I thought I was doing this in this Suburban. I was gonna do all the hauling in my other ones, but it ended up to be this today. I think it's like 20 something, how many boxes of this vinyl stuff here for the rolling and stuff. But anyway, man, y'all let me know down below. And next time, y'all leave folks at home when you drive your base vehicle. Don't tell nobody I told y'all that. See y'all back on the next one.